Going to do a watch list video here with a couple stocks I'm watching, and you'll see I have NVDA and SHAK. Before I show you what I'm looking at with those two, let's pull up a chart here of the SPY, and you'll see the SPY's kind of got this like falling wedge pattern here and this reversal. You see here, if you're watching any of my watch list videos, stocks run with the market. So typically, most of the times, these large cap stocks will run overall with the market. If the market is bullish, stocks tend to be bullish. If they're bearish, they're bearish. And then when you have indecision, then you have those indecision patterns. So sometimes you got to wait. So, right here, but watching to see you had some of this consolidation over here, and now you have this potential reversal here on this falling wedge. So now you got to watch and see if price will continue up, and you can kind of do some angular support here out to the future. So this might be continuing up. So we'll watch and see if price gets above that 9 EMA, if this will curl and point up, and see if it'll go bullish again. But these are some resistance levels here for the SPY. So when I go over here to NVIDIA, you have kind of this descending triangle-ish, but then you have a morning star pattern, possible reversal. So again, it's kind of like you'll see these patterns will go with the market overall. So it's kind of almost a similar looking pattern with the SPY if you kind of go out like this right here. So kind of like another falling wedge-ish or possible descending triangle. But again, you'll see these patterns kind of run together. So with this one right here with NVIDIA, see if price will move up. And you have resistance right around that 438 and then angular resistance kind of right around that 450. So again, that's for NVIDIA. And then you have SHAK. This kind of has a cupish pattern right here, possible inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Watch if price can break above that $58 level with around $60 resistance. So kind of a previous gap level right here. So keep an eye right around that gap as well. So right around, where was that gap? Right around $60, $61. So for the watch list, we'll have NVIDIA, SHAK. Again, do not trade these unless you know what you're doing. We have courses to help teach you this. We have free courses, which I'll put in this video here to get access to. But we also have a ebook as well that it teaches you these patterns. So if you want to learn them, make sure you take our courses to learn candlesticks, price action, all that, so you learn how to trade.